We are headed out to Casey's last basketball game for the season, and we needed something quick, filling, and delicious. So we made homemade Crunchwrap Supremes. They're easier than you think, so come along.
Quick and tasty on the farm where recipes live on for generations.
Hey friends, welcome back to Quick and Tasty on the Farm. Today I'm sharing with you one of our favorite go-to meals. So simple, so quick, it's tasty. It's perfect for when you're running out the door and you need something quick and tasty, but you still want real food. That's what we're making today. All you need for this recipe is some lettuce, tomatoes, tortillas, chips or tostado shells, cheese, butter, little sour cream, and some seasoned taco meat that I already have pre-cooked. I always keep some in my freezer. That's a little tip for you to make this go really, really fast. But just a reminder, anything you see here, you can substitute out for what you and your family likes or dislikes. Use what you want. So if you don't have any ground beef seasoned with taco seasoning already mixed up and already cooked, you need to do that first. I did it earlier, and like I said, I always put some extra meat in my freezer so that I can pull it out and use it for a recipe like this. It just makes things go so quick, and it's delicious. Let's throw this together. I'm gonna open up my tortillas here. My counter's already clean, so I'm just gonna place one right here on my counter. I'm gonna get some taco seasoning meat. I made one for Casey before she ran out the door, headed to Williams, Arizona for her last season basketball game before postseason starts. And she loved it, of course. But I'm just gonna put a little meat right in the center there. You wanna keep it in the center. When I cooked Casey's, I actually filled it a little too full. So you wanna have it just right there in the center. I am going to sprinkle a little cheese on top. So the next thing you can do is you could take a round tostado shell and you could place it right there in the middle, which would make this fold up really nice. I actually don't have round tostado shells, so I'm gonna use chips. So if you want more protein in this, if you're trying to eat more protein, get the protein chips. Have you tried those? I'll show you what they are right here. You can order them online. They are so delicious. I love them. But you could use protein chips, regular chips, or tostado shells. And I'm just gonna put it around like that. I can kind of crunch it down. It's where we get the crunch in the Crunchwrap Supreme. Then I'm gonna open up my sour cream.
Is this like Taco Bell's Crunchwrap?
It is like Taco Bell's Crunchwrap Supreme. And I'm just gonna spread some sour cream all over. The next thing I'm gonna do is slice up a little shredded lettuce, dice a few tomatoes, just like that. And I'm gonna sprinkle it right on top. Casey's didn't have tomatoes earlier because she doesn't like tomatoes. Comment below if you like tomatoes. I'm just curious. Alan and I like them, especially if they're fresh from the garden. I need to take one more tortilla. And you can just tear it, just like this. And you're just gonna tear out a piece about that big. And I'm gonna place it right here on top. And then I just need to fold in the edges, just like that. You see that? It's all covered. I'm gonna bring you over to the stove. I'm gonna put a little butter in my pan. And I have to thank Sylvia. She sent me new pans, and this is the first time I am getting to use them in a video with you, and I absolutely love them. So thank you, Sylvia. You have blessed my life. So let's go over to the stove and let's fry this Crunchwrap Supreme up. So I'm gonna put some butter in my pan, just like that. I'm gonna turn it on medium heat. I am just gonna flip the folded part down, just like that. And I'm gonna fry it. It usually takes about maybe 5 minutes, if that, 3 or 4 minutes. And then I'll flip it over, fry the other side with a little more butter, and then we're gonna enjoy a delicious lunch. And Alan and I are trying really hard to share lunches, so we're just gonna cut this in half and share it and enjoy a yummy lunch together. So while that cooks on the stove, I'm just gonna clean up my mess here so that I leave the house clean. Alan and I are actually headed out the door. We're gonna eat this on the run because we are gonna go watch Casey play her last basketball game. And I honestly can't wait. I love watching her play. And we actually have a big announcement, you guys. We are starting another channel. Our Farm on Route 66 channel is all about rescue horses and rescue animals, and we love that. But we love sharing our life and our family with you. But our life is gonna be changing, and it's kind of bittersweet. I don't know, tell me what you think. We are almost empty nesters, and we thought it would be fun to do something together. So we are starting a channel that's called Kicking It on Route 66, Life as Empty Nesters. And we're gonna take you along on our journey to see what life looks like. Right now, I guess we're kind of in the preparing stage because we have about 5 months of Casey being in our home with us until she leaves. And another huge announcement, she actually chose to go on a mission for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. So she's gonna be headed out on the mission, and Alan and I are gonna be left home alone. And we're gonna take you along on the journey of how we figure out empty nesting together. So I'm gonna clean up, I'm gonna finish frying this, and then we're gonna hit the road to go enjoy watching Casey play ball because we absolutely love that. Thanks, you guys. This meal is delicious. You're gonna love it. So go out and buy some stuff and give it a try.